Hi! In front of me is REALME C53 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in Magic Fluids. Following that, you need to install this free app from Mad Scientist developer. When it's ready, open it, and if you wish to mute the music right away, tap on the bottom left corner. Then click on those two lines at the bottom right one. Select Set as Live Wallpaper and hit Set Wallpaper. Finally, you can pick one of those options to apply it on home screen or home screen and lock screen. You can also go back. Before tapping on Set Wallpaper, click on this gear at the top right corner. Choose I accept in First Things First pop-up and then adjust all of those options however you want to. When you're ready, go back, misclick, and do exactly the same. Tap on Set Wallpaper, then, in my case, home screen. And now when I close my app, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!